Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 90, lecture 28. It is for B.Sc Part 1, Organic Chemistry 2, Unit 2, Cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes contain closed chain of carbon atoms linked together by single bonds. They resemble with aliphatic compounds in properties and hence they are known as alicyclic or aliphatic cyclic compounds. Cycloalkanes have general formula CnH2n and are isomeric with alkanes. Structure: trimethylene cyclopropane. Its IUPAC name is cyclopropane and common name is trimethylene. Cyclobutane, its common name is tetramethylene, pentamethylene, cyclopentane, like that. Hexamethylene, cyclohexane. When substituents are attached to the ring, then we have to give numbering and we have to keep in our mind alphabetical order. 1-ethyl, 1 will come first because E is coming in alphabetically first. M is later on. So 1-ethyl, 2-methyl cyclohexane. Here 4 trimethyl cyclohexane. Here once again 1-ethyl, 3-methyl cyclopentane. Here this cyclobutyl, it having lower carbon compared to the straight chain. So it is a substituent of this pentane. So 2-cyclobutyl pentane. However, if the side chain contains a multiple bond or a functional group, the cycloalkane ring is treated as a substituent, irrespective of the size of the ring. See here, it is a 3-cyclopropyl propene. In means double bond has given priority of double bond. Here it is corresponding 1-cyclohexyl, 3-methyl butane, 1-ene. If a compound contains a cycloalkane ring directly linked to the benzene ring, so it is cyclohexyl benzene, cyclopropyl benzene. If it is bicyclic ring, then we have to give numbering bicyclo, number of carbon total heptane, right? And here 2 carbon and here 2 and 1 is in middle. So 2, 2, 1 heptane, bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane. Here bicyclo 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, right? In middle there is no carbon link, carbon atom. So it is 310 hexane. Similarly, here in 6-chloro, 2-ethyl, 1,8-dimethyl bicyclo, 3,2,1. Here it is 2, right, in middle, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, 3 means this one, 1, 2, 3, right? Here 2 and here in middle one it is 1. Octane. Methods of formation. From 1,3-dihaloalkanes, Frouin's method. This method involves the action of active metal such as zinc or sodium on a suitable alpha gamma. It is dihaloalkanes, alkane having the halogen atoms on the terminal carbon atoms. This reaction may be regarded as an intramolecular Woods reaction. See here, 1,2-dibromopropane in presence of zinc, it will give cyclopropane. From dicarboxylic acid salts, calcium, bromium or thorium, when it is reacted, it will give first this cyclopentanone, and then on hydrogenation in presence of zinc amalgam, it will give cyclopentane. From aromatic compounds, benzene on hydrogenation in presence of nickel at 180 degree centigrade temperature, it will give cyclohexane. Toluene on hydrogenation, it will give methyl cyclohexane. Dickmann's method. Esters of dicarboxylic acids undergo intramolecular gaseous condensation in presence of sodium or sodium ethoxide. It will give diethyl ester. It will give this intermediate, and then on hydrolysis and heating, it will evolve carbon dioxide, and again it will give this cyclopentanone, which on reduction with zinc amalgam in presence of HCl, it will give cyclopentane. Diels-Alder 4+2 cycloaddition reaction. 1,3-butadiene in presence of ethene, when heated at 200 degrees centigrade temperature, it will first give cyclohexene, which on reduction, it will give cyclohexane. Similarly, other substituent reactant we can use with 1,3-butadiene, and we will get corresponding compound. Addition of carbenes to alkenes. We can add this carbene, dichlorocarbene, to the bridge, this double bond, and it will give cyclopropane derivative. Physical properties of cycloalkanes. Cyclopropane and cyclobutane are gaseous at room temperature, while higher members are colorless liquids. Cyclopropane is used as anesthetic. Melting point, boiling point, and density increases with molecular mass of the compounds. So this is about the cycloalkanes. In next lecture, we will see about the chemical properties and stability of cycloalkanes. Thank you very much for today's lecture.